Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide your tagged photos in the Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and also write comments after watching. Friends, let's get down to our topic. And I'm going to show you from the very beginning how you can find the option that will help you hide mentions. So friends, for this, open your Instagram and go to your page. When you do that, you'll need to, at the top, on the right side, click on the three bars. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to the bottom, and you'll need to select an option called Tags and Mentions. Click on it. Next, find this section here where you can customize your Instagram mentions. So, go to this option right here. Next, click Tags. As you can see, friends, this way you've gone to all the Instagram posts and photos where someone has tagged you in their posts. And let's say if you'd like to remove some of those mentions, or maybe all of them, you'd start by clicking on the top right-hand side of the page. Click on Select, and then select the postings that you'd like to delete. And at the bottom, click Delete. Confirm your actions, and then your tag with that photo will be removed. And your tags will be removed. Also, friends, when you go back to Tags and Mentions, also here I recommend you to set up the option to manually control mentions. More specifically, activate it. That way you can control when someone, let's say, mentions you in their Instagram post. Then the person will be able to mention you only after you approve the mention, and in general, you will be able to control this process. Friends, this is the way you can easily hide your tagged photos in Instagram app. I hope this video was useful to you friends and helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments under the video. Also subscribe to our channel. Take care.